Have you ever wondered how the Amish, living simply without modern amenities, manage to enjoy the comfort of hot water, from warming up during cold winters to cleaning up after a hearty meal? The Amish community, known for its simple and traditional lifestyle, without relying on modern technology, places special value on hot water, which is essential for both their daily life and their agricultural and artisanal practices. The use of hot water in the Amish community is a reflection of their principles of self-sufficiency and sustainability, demonstrating how they can maintain a comfortable and functional life without relying on modern conveniences. Traditional wood-burning stoves are a key element in Amish homes, not only for their basic heating functionality, but also as pillars of their self-sufficient and sustainable living ethic. This heating method, rooted in ancient traditions, remains relevant today for several ecological and economic reasons. One of the most significant innovations incorporated into Amish wood-burning stoves is the water jacket. This system allows the stove to heat water that circulates through a compartment adjacent to the fire. The hot water is then stored in a tank and distributed throughout the house for use in bathrooms and kitchens, which is extremely energy efficient. The use of wood-burning stoves in Amish homes reflects their philosophy of self-sufficient living, eliminating dependence on external energy sources such as electricity or gas. This self-sufficiency not only provides them with independence in terms of resources, but also allows them to maintain a lifestyle consistent with their religious and cultural beliefs, which favor simplicity and disconnection from modern technology. The use of wood as an energy source is a more sustainable option compared to fossil fuels, since it is a renewable resource when managed responsibly. Forests can be managed sustainably to ensure a continuous supply of firewood, which also contributes to natural resource management and biodiversity. In addition, modern stoves are designed to maximize efficiency and minimize harmful emissions, adapting to current environmental regulations that seek to reduce the carbon footprint. Amish communities, known for their simple and traditional lifestyle, have begun to adopt solar panels as a solution for heating water. This transition highlights their ability to merge ancestral values with technological innovations without compromising their fundamental principles. The integration of solar energy not only reflects their adaptability and openness to new technologies, but also underscores a deep commitment to environmental sustainability. This balance between modernity and tradition illustrates how even the most conservative communities can participate in the global movement towards sustainability. The adoption of solar energy by Amish communities offers multiple benefits, especially in terms of reducing dependence on fossil fuels and saving on energy costs in the long term. This form of clean, renewable energy allows these communities to maintain their self-sufficiency and resilience while redirecting economic resources to other community and family needs. Furthermore, solar energy aligns with Amish values of caring for and conserving the land, demonstrating that technological progress and environmental conservation can coexist harmoniously. Despite its benefits, the transition to solar energy carries certain challenges for Amish communities, particularly in terms of maintenance and the need for specialized technical knowledge. In rural environments, where self-sufficiency is a cornerstone of Amish life, reliance on outside technicians for repairs can be seen as a challenge to their lifestyle. However, many Amish families are overcoming these obstacles by training in technical skills related to the installation and maintenance of solar systems, allowing them to manage these technologies within their cultural constraints. This effort not only reinforces their self-sufficiency, but also enhances the sustainability of their energy practices. These points highlight how Amish communities are navigating modernization in a way that respects and reinforces their traditions, demonstrating a remarkable ability to adapt their practices without losing their cultural identity and commitment to sustainable values. Propane, being a gaseous hydrocarbon, offers an efficient and versatile alternative for heating and hot water production. These systems are especially valued for their ability to provide heat in a constant and controllable manner, which is essential in cold climates. The use of propane allows for efficient and sustainable energy management. Modern propane heating systems can be designed to maximize fuel efficiency, reducing operating costs and environmental impact. In addition, propane is easily stored in tanks that can be refilled by local suppliers, ensuring a continuous supply even in remote locations. The rapid response of propane in heating systems is another of its strengths, providing almost immediate heat once the system is active, making it ideal for peak demand during the colder seasons. This is complemented by the installation of thermostatic systems that help maintain a constant ambient temperature in the home, optimizing comfort and energy efficiency. The safe use of propane is fundamental in Amish communities, where the integration of any technology must be done with a focus on safety and community responsibility. Proper propane handling requires the installation of carbon monoxide detectors, which are essential to alert users to any buildup of harmful gases. In addition, adequate ventilation in areas where propane is used is crucial to prevent health risks and ensure a safe environment. Amish communities often conduct training and workshops on the safe handling of propane, teaching each family how to perform regular inspections of their systems and how to act in an emergency. These inspections include checking connections and hoses and checking tanks for possible leaks that, if not handled properly, could result in dangerous situations. The collective commitment to safety not only protects individual families, but also reinforces community values of mutual care and responsibility. This preventive approach helps maintain optimal performance of heating systems over time, ensuring that the community as a whole can benefit from the efficient and safe use of propane. Some Amish families, known for their simple lifestyle, are adopting a hybrid approach to modernization without compromising their fundamental principles. This adaptation includes the use of wood-burning stoves complemented by technologies such as solar panels and propane-powered energy systems. This fusion of the old with the new allows Amish families to improve their self-sufficiency and energy efficiency. By integrating traditional methods with more modern solutions, they manage to maintain their connection to the past while adapting to the demands of the present. Highlights. Most notable is the Amish's ability to effectively balance innovation and tradition. This flexibility and creativity are reflected in how they manage to integrate different technologies in a way that respects their core values, demonstrating that it is possible to maintain strong cultural roots while adopting practical and beneficial adaptations. The implementation of hybrid solutions within Amish communities would not be possible without a strong sense of collaboration and unity. Families not only share resources, but also exchange knowledge and skills that are crucial to the success of these technological integrations. They organize community workshops where the practices of installing and maintaining new systems are taught, ensuring that each member of the community can contribute to and benefit from the improvements. These collective efforts not only strengthen the solutions adopted, but also reinforce community ties and mutual support. The most impressive element of these initiatives is the deep sense of community and cooperation that prevails in Amish life. This cohesion not only facilitates technological adaptation, but also acts as a model for how communities can work together to achieve common goals in harmony with their values and traditions. This collective approach not only improves the quality of life within the community, but also provides an inspiring example of self-sufficiency and community resilience in the face of modern changes. The Amish are characterized by a strategic selectivity in the adoption of technologies that complement their values without supplanting human skills or community cohesion. For example, although they avoid the use of electricity from the public grid, in many communities solar panels and batteries are used to operate essential machinery in their farms and workshops, demonstrating a balanced and sustainable approach to modernization. This limited and conscious use of technology underscores the possibility of integrating advances without relying completely on them, promoting more responsible consumption that is less invasive to the environment. Although deeply rooted in their traditions, the Amish have shown remarkable adaptability, adjusting their agricultural and artisanal methods to current needs without losing their essence. For example, in agriculture, they combine traditional techniques with modern sustainable farming practices such as crop rotation and the controlled use of natural resources. This ability to honor the past while adapting to the present is crucial to creating a sustainable future, showing that respect for traditions can coexist with responsible innovation. The sustainability lessons of the Amish community are deeply relevant in our modern age. They remind us of the importance of being selective with technology, valuing community collaboration, and adapting traditions in ways that are sustainable in the long term. Through their example, we can learn to balance respect for the past with adaptations to the present, guiding us towards a future that is more conscious and respectful of our environment. If you liked the video, subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next chapter of Amish life and their methods.